Hi, it's Kara here from the GoodX team, and today I'm going to show you how to get more done in less time using our fantastic PDF Printover. Are you struggling to keep up with the endless paperwork and forms required to fill out for medical aid claims, PMB registration, and so much more? Then the PDF Printover is going to revolutionize your workflow and give you more valuable time to spend with your patients. First things first, I'm going to show you how to get to the PDF Printover template. What you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your settings screen and click on the Entity Settings tab. Then we're going to go to the Workflow and Templates panel, which is where you can find all of the templates and forms available to your practice. There is already a range of previously set up forms which are actually available for use, which can be accessed through the Import Template function. All you have to do is choose your type of template that you would like to import, and then once that's done, click on the Import Template button. If your first client liaison has uploaded a bunch of preset forms, then they should show here, which you can just select and save to your list. If there is a form that you would like to use but it hasn't been uploaded, then you can contact your first client liaison for additional assistance, or you can even build the form yourself. It really is so simple. Now, in order to do this, we're going to head back to the Workflow Event Template panel and then instead hit the Add Template button. From here, you're going to upload the documents of your choosing, and then give it a name to differentiate it from the rest of the forms. Then we're going to go over here and collapse the PDF, which will show us a few extra options. These extra options is what we're going to use to build the text boxes and placeholders. Now, to build these boxes, click on the Add button. This new panel is where you can name, format, resize, or plot wherever the text boxes, checkboxes, signatures, whichever field that you would like to use will be placed. If you would like to know a little bit more about building the form, then you can visit the PDF Printover Setup user manual that we'll link in the description below. Once you have your form set up and ready to use, let the time saving begin. In order to start using your setup PDF Printover, we're going to first have to get to the clinical case screen. Let's quickly click on this booking, which we're going to use the form on, and then click over here on the clinical button to open the clinical case screen. Now, all of the forms available to your practice in their ready-to-use state can be found over here in the Forms Library dropdown. Okay, so we're going to go and select the PDF Printover, which will open a blank version of the form onto your page. But fear not, if you click on this arrow right over here, you'll get a list of all of the previously set up PDF Printover forms. Click on the one that you would like to use today for this patient, and it'll automatically open your form. Because of how well the PDF Printover was set up, all of the text boxes should automatically fill in the information that are already available in your patient's electronic file. Your patient's name, surname, ID, and any other demographic information on that electronic file is going to pull through, which saves you the tedious task of filling it in all by hand. There might be a few fields here and there that is going to require your attention though, such as ticking or unticking the predefined checkboxes available, or perhaps typing in an ICD-10 code. What's great is that even your preloaded signature can be added, which cuts out so many steps such as printing it, then signing it, then scanning it back in, and then only emailing it to the right people. Being able to do all of this also through GoodX reduces the chance of loss and damage, and all of your documentation is kept safely and securely on your site. Once you're sure that your form has been completed, you can email, print, or download the document all from this screen. Don't forget to finalize your form, save your work, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another good experience.